Yeah, hi kids, it's me, the Red Panther. This is part 3 of the killer storm, the snow removal. Me and Alan got the snow, and there's the tools of the trade. A lawnmower with a blade, and Mr. Troy built 30-inch. It's even got electric start, a switch that warms the handles. Look at that bad boy. So let's have a look outside. Give you an idea. Here's one drift, and I don't know if you can catch this, but well, it's almost up to my chest. One out into the street, and then there's the walk. Some of that's almost up to my waist. Did this with the snow blower. And the blade combination. Push that out. I've been out here for, I don't know, 6 hours. There's the driveway. Well, there's a kind of an idea of always have the sun behind you. Not much sun here, but this will give you an idea what it's like to live in Iowa, America, land of the free, home of the snowblowers, the brave snowblowers. Yeah, you gotta be tough to live in Iowa, which makes me want to move to North Carolina, not Florida. Too hot there. But North Carolina's got a lot of snakes, so I don't know. And alligators. Done for now, this round. Killer Storm Part 3. These first 2 rounds with the snow and the wind. Now it's going to get cold. Way below 0. I don't mean to be a wise guy, but I'm calling this the killer storm, but it has killed people already. And hopefully it won't get any more. National Guard's been called out. They're helping. Some people were trapped. Some people went to rescue other people and got trapped themselves. And they couldn't be rescued. They had to stay there till they got the roads plowed out. All this and the riots in Egypt. Yeah, this is the best of times and the worst of times. Pity the man that lives in interesting times, the Chinese would say. February 2nd, 2011 here in the Heartland. Boy, the deer will be hungry. Not much for them to eat. Maybe I should go get some corn and put it out. Well, I guess this is, whoa, geez. It's not very good cinematography, is it? Good grief. Well, this is your old buddy, the Red Panther. Going inside and getting warm, kids. The Red Panther is cold. It's cold outside. Red Panther out.